Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Kingshot mods. So this means unlimited gems. So I don't know if you saw right now, I got 700 gems, so I'm gonna turn it up all the way. So let's see if the gems do start increasing, and then I'll show you how to download the Kingshot mod so you can get free gems. So as you can see, I got 700 right there, so hopefully it starts increasing. So I don't like to make videos about stuff doesn't work, so I'm really trying to get in there. So I don't know if you can see that, but the gems are going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So it is super cool. So let's get into the video. So first thing is go to browser and type in this website right here. So this is where the Kingshot mod is located. So I'm going to go into the search bar and I'm just going to type in Kingshot. I'm going to press on it. So now I just got to do verification, okay? So this is the last step. You got to download 2 apps. You got to follow the instructions. It's 100% free. It's from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just need to download like 2 of these apps. So we got Family Island. It's like reach level 9. So I could do that. Then we got Mo Casino. It says install the app and open it. So yeah, basically just make sure you do like 2 of them and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to get Kingshot mod for your device. So it fully works. So this is super cool. So I'll even take you to the app store and I'll just type Kingshot just so you guys can see how expensive it is. So as you can see, I can't really spell. So as you can see, here it is. And then when we go to in-app purchases, you can see it's quite expensive. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Kingshot mod. I mean, this is super wild. So yeah, try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super cool. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another one, but yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super cool. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, that's how to get it for your device. So yeah, just make sure you download at least 2 of the apps and you're gonna be all good to go. So yeah, you can see we got the video. So yeah, you got all the apps. So yeah, you got all the apps right there. So that's how to download Kingshot mod for your device. So yeah, this is just an incredible mod. It's fully working. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. Kingshot, free money.